and welcome to another episode of To The Point. The topic of discussion is India-Gulf Cooperation Council relations. Why in news? In a major move to enhance the relationship between India and the Gulf Cooperation Council, Jassim Mohammed Al Budaibi, the Secretary General of the GCC, will participate in the Kochi Dialogue 2025. About Kochi Dialogue 2025. Kochi Dialogue 2025, a Track 1.5 diplomacy event scheduled for 16th to 17th January in Kerala's commercial hub. Organized by the Center for Public Policy Research in collaboration with India's Ministry of External Affairs. The two-day event will focus on India's Look West policy in action, people, prosperity and progress. It marks the first event of its kind designed to enhance cooperation across critical sectors including trade, energy, education and maritime security. With its strategic focus, the event underscores India's growing engagement with the GCC, a bloc pivotal to India's energy security and home to over 8 million Indian expatriates. Major themes of Kochi Dialogue. The dialogue will delve into following major themes: boosting trade under agreements like the Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement, enhancing maritime security in the Indian Ocean region, expanding collaboration in education, healthcare and energy innovation, Indian diaspora's role in fostering economic growth and cultural diplomacy. About Gulf Cooperation Council. GCC or the Gulf Cooperation Council is a group of 6 nations: Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, Oman, Kuwait, Qatar and Bahrain. The GCC was established in 1981 based on regional and cultural proximity with the aim to promote coordination, integration and interconnection between member states. The structure of the GCC consists of the Supreme Council, the highest authority, the Ministerial Council and the Secretariat General. The Secretariat is located in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. India and the GCC. India has deepened its diplomatic and economic ties with the Gulf Cooperation Council region in 2024, with Prime Minister Narendra Modi visiting 3 of the 6 GCC countries, UAE, Qatar and Kuwait. Bilateral trade between India and the GCC reached approximately USD 161.59 billion in 2024, gathering impetus over the years. The GCC's investments in Indian infrastructure projects have also seen a notable uptick, particularly in renewable energy and smart city initiatives. In September 2024, an India-GCC joint ministerial meeting for strategic dialogue was held in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. During this engagement, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and GCC counterparts adopted a joint action plan for 2024 to 28 to facilitate joint ventures in energy, trade, security, agriculture, health and food security. Despite the progress made, challenges persist. Issues related to labor rights, expatriate welfare and regional tensions, including the Israel-Hamas war and the collapse of the Syrian regime, require ongoing dialogue. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements about GCC. GCC is a group of 6 nations: Saudi Arabia, UAE, Oman, Kuwait, Qatar and Bahrain. The Secretariat of GCC is located in Abu Dhabi, UAE. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.